In the quiet corners of the garden, under the cover of night, two snails begin a fascinating ritual. Slowly, they follow each other's shimmering slime trails, drawn together by scents and patience. When they meet, the courtship begins, a dance of gentle touches and spiral that can last for hours. But what makes their love story extraordinary is the love dart, a tiny calcium spear one snail shot into the others. This is completely a strange mating ritual. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.